What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can clear or delete all of your YouTube search history on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to your YouTube like that. After going to your YouTube, you have to click on your profile. You land here, you have to go to your profile like this. After go to your profile or your channel, you have to click on the settings option in the top right corner. After going down settings, you can see here is the option manage all history. You have to click on this. Please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you so that you can delete or your all search history from YouTube. After going to this option, you have to click on this one, delete. After clicking on delete, here is three options: delete today, delete custom range, and delete all time. So if you click on delete today, YouTube will delete all the search history and watch history for today date for one day. If you want to delete from Sunday to Friday or Monday to Wednesday, you have to click on this and you can select a date that you want to delete the history. If you want to delete all the history or and all the search history of your YouTube, you have to click on delete all time like here. If you click on this, YouTube will delete all the search history and watch history from your YouTube of all time. So this is how you can delete any YouTube search history on your YouTube on mobile. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.